And indeed, we need more time to review this report. And I know the governor is one of the reformist governors we have. I know the matter of water company, you have made good progress after we thoroughly went through the report. So you remember I had questioned the auditors previously that how come the year ended 20, the governor is leaving briefly, so we can give him a few minutes and then we proceed. Welcome back, Governor. That is quite a lot of work to be done, and we have expressed concern and qualified. But this particular year is now adverse. Much earlier. So for that case, the committees have more time to interrogate the audit report because there are issues there which are all the issues which need to be looked at.
Chair, on a point of order, just quickly.
Give your point of order. The issue of property, plant and equipment, we are noticing that the mess equipments are actually a mess. And that was signed much earlier. I don't know why the auditors could not pick that in the previous years. The issues of Doctor's Plaza, we have issues to do with unsupported repairs and maintenance.